Husqvarna has a long history that is rich in tradition, starting with the very first Husqvarna factory, established in 1689. From homeowners to full-time professionals, our chainsaws are ideal for anyone who requires first-class quality, durability, and ergonomics. Take a minute to familiarize yourself with the basic components of the Husqvarna chainsaw. They are the cylinder cover, the starter handle, the air purge, the stop switch, also known as the ignition or on-off switch, the rear handle, the choke control or start throttle lock, the fuel tank, the chain oil tank, the throttle lockout, the decompression valve, the front handguard, the bar and chain, the bumper spike, the chain tensioning screw, the chain catcher, the oil pump adjustment screw, the clutch cover, the throttle control, the combination spanner, the bar guard, the information and warning decal, and the product and serial number plate.